Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y72, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So once I lock the device, you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we will need to power off our device, so simply hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. So from here we can select recovery mode. It looks like we need to use volume keys in order to do that. So using volume keys, you want to select the second option and then power key to confirm it. And from here you simply want to select clear data by just clicking on it and then clear all data. So this looks like it will remove the screen lock, but not the actual all data like it claims, because either it's lost in translation or lost in stupidity. So just click on OK, and this will basically reset the system settings. That's basically all it does, because all your personal data still remains on the phone. But once you go back and restart, the device will reboot. You will be presented with a setup screen for some unknown reason, because whatever the reason is. And from there, if you want to remove literally everything, you will have access to the home screen now, because it removed the screen lock. That, as an example, you didn't know. So you can go through the settings and from there perform a factory reset by going into System, Reset Options, and just resetting it like that, which will, like I said, remove everything now. So as you can see, there's the setup screen, and like I mentioned before, even though technically the device isn't reset fully, it remained with contacts, messages, and music, photos, stuff like that. Settings are reset, and additionally things like your passcodes are removed, so you can set up your device and gain access to it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.